Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. Today's video is going to talk about bar series arrangement, more specifically forcing bar spacing to the X and Y coordinates. Let me demonstrate a situation. We have a variable bar series inside a circle. As you can see in the middle of the series, the spacing between the bars are okay. But as we travel towards the sides of the series, we can observe that the spacing is smaller and smaller. We can check this by measuring and comparing the spacings. As you can see, here is around 20 as it's set, but here is only around 8 centimeters. If we make a measurement on the outline, this is 20 because I set it to be 20, but the real spacing between the bars is only 7.8. So, to prevent this, we have a tool inside the modification panel of the bar series. So let's check this. Down here, we have an option called force bars X/Y. It refers to the coordinate system. So let's check this box, and you can see the difference. Now the bars are distributed evenly to 20 centimeters from one another. We can confirm it. Yes, it's 20, and even on the sides are 20 as well. Let's take another example. I'm gonna create two bar series. One is simple on a straight line, and the other is gonna have an incline. Notice that the bars here all meet up because the force bars are checked. Let's uncheck it. Now, you see? Now, the bars here don't meet, even though we started the bar series from the same point. So, why does this happen? It is because right now the bar series is set to have the distribution counted on an incline. So, when I measure these 2 points on this slope, we can see the exact 20 centimeters which is set for spacing. Of course, the actual distance between bars are smaller than 20 centimeters. The simple straight line bar distribution doesn't have the same issues. Of course, here the 20 is 20. No problems. But if I go back to the modification panel for the bar series, if I re-enable the force bars X, Y, then suddenly the actual distance between the bars on the slope becomes 20 centimeters. The exact same distance as the other bar series. So, these are the possible applications of forcing bars to X and Y coordinates. Thank you for watching.